Chicken mesh is a versatile material widely used in construction, particularly in plastering applications. This mesh, also known as chicken wire mesh, is made from thin steel wire arranged in a hexagonal pattern. Despite its lightweight nature, it provides significant strength when embedded in plaster. The mesh acts as a reinforcement layer, helping to hold the plaster together and prevent cracking. The use of chicken mesh in plastering dates back many years and remains popular for both residential and commercial projects. Its effectiveness in improving the structural integrity of plastered surfaces is well documented. This makes it an essential material for achieving long-lasting and aesthetically pleasing finishes. There are different types of chicken mesh available for plastering, each with unique properties and benefits. Galvanized chicken mesh is a popular choice for its corrosion resistance, achieved by coating the steel wire with zinc. This makes it suitable for both internal and external plastering applications. Another option is PVC-coated chicken mesh, which is coated with polyvinyl chloride, PVC, a durable and waterproof plastic. The PVC coating provides additional protection against moisture, making it ideal for areas with high humidity or water exposure. For projects requiring exceptional strength and durability, stainless steel chicken mesh is the preferred choice. Stainless steel, an alloy of steel and chromium, is highly resistant to corrosion and rust. Although more expensive, its superior longevity and resistance to harsh environments make it a worthwhile investment for demanding applications. The use of chicken mesh in plastering offers numerous benefits, contributing to the overall quality, durability, and longevity of plastered surfaces. One primary benefit is its ability to reinforce plaster, which can be brittle and prone to cracking. By embedding chicken mesh within the plaster layer, it creates a composite material with enhanced tensile strength. The mesh distributes stress and prevents cracks from forming, especially in areas subject to movement, vibration, or temperature changes. Chicken mesh also helps to prevent sagging and slumping of plaster, ensuring a smooth and even finish. Furthermore, it improves the bond between the plaster and the substrate, creating a mechanical interlocking that prevents delamination. Proper installation of chicken mesh is crucial for realizing its full benefits. Before installing, ensure the surface is clean, dry, and free of loose debris or contaminants. Repair any cracks or holes in the surface. Cut the chicken mesh to the desired size using tin snips or heavy-duty scissors, and wear gloves to protect your hands. Overlapping the mesh by at least 2 inches is crucial for maintaining structural integrity. Fasten the mesh securely, choosing fasteners based on the substrate material. For wood surfaces, use galvanized staples or nails. For concrete or masonry, use concrete screws or powder-actuated fasteners. Cracking is a common problem in plastered surfaces, caused by factors like structural movement, moisture changes, and improper installation. Chicken mesh plays a vital role in preventing cracks and maintaining the structural integrity of plastered surfaces. It distributes stress, preventing it from concentrating at a single point, which could lead to cracking. Chicken mesh also helps control shrinkage cracks by reinforcing the plaster and restricting its movement. Moreover, it improves the plaster's resistance to impact and vibration, protecting it from damage in areas prone to minor impacts or vibrations. Chicken mesh is an indispensable component in modern plastering techniques. Its ability to reinforce plaster, prevent cracks, and enhance durability makes it essential for achieving long-lasting and aesthetically pleasing finishes. By embedding chicken mesh within the plaster layer, we create a composite material with superior strength and resilience. This significantly reduces the likelihood of cracking, sagging, and other forms of damage. The use of chicken mesh not only enhances the structural integrity of plastered surfaces, but also extends their lifespan. Plastered surfaces reinforced with chicken mesh require less frequent maintenance and repair, resulting in cost savings over the long term. In conclusion, the benefits of using chicken mesh in plastering are undeniable. It is a cost-effective and practical solution for enhancing the durability, longevity, and aesthetic appeal of plastered surfaces in both residential and commercial construction projects.